Hi guys, alam kong hindi nyo pa alam kung anong aking account sa Roblox. Para malaman nyo lang, ere po. Ere po yung account ko sa TikTok. So, sa mga nakapanood sa akin tapos na kita ko sa Roblox, di congrats po. Ay, congrats? Anong congrats, te? Ere po yung aking yan po ang aking account. If you guys want to add me, just add me. Okay? But 200 friends lang ang kaya ko eh. So, sorry na sa mga hindi makaabot. Kaya, paunahan na lang makapag-add friends sa akin. Lalagyan ko din kayo ng nickname kung pinsan ko kayo. Kung fun, tinan nyo Rain, pinsan kasi pinsan ko siya. Pen, pinsan. Aryan, kapatid. Aiko, pinsan. Kel, pinsan. Chloe, Milo. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng lo. Kel, pinsan. At sa mga nagtatanong kung ano mga nilalaro ko, ito, Troll is a pinning, Clock difficulty, Volleyball Legends, Brookhaven RP, Peta Peta Level 6, Dead Rails, Faster MMB, Code Fairy, Troll Button Tower, Troll is a pinning, Slap Tower, a Troll Broken Squid Game Tower, Collapsing Tower, Granny Multiplayer, Volleyball, TOH but with rising lava, Tower of Jump Pre, Violet Ravine, Wallhap Practice, Murderers vs. Sheriffs, Word Bridge, Troll is a Mini Tower, Volleyball 4.2, Happy Tower Obby, Nara Stage Tower Step, Grey Sacks Tower, I Wanna Test the Game, Barry's Prison, Pets Go, Impossible Glass Bridge, Troll is Spinning, MM2 Aim Trainer, Escape Running, No Jumping, Screaming Tower, Fast Tower OV, Makeover Show, Weird Streak Dad, Wordy, Mingle Tower, Shadow Boxing, Roy Master, Identify Fraud, Cotton Obi, Spelling Bee, Blade Ball, Go Down the Tower, 5,100 Stage, Effortless, Spelling Race, Omega OB 725, Carry an Egg, Marbles, Shrimp, Guess the Logo, Quiz, Guess the Meme, The Dropper 130 plus, Ladders OB Hard, 5B, 5MM2, Mansion 2, Teamwork Puzzle, World Food, Team Daker, Nani, Shoot the Murderer, Match Tower Race, Math Tower Race, Silly Simon Says, Drill Digging Simulator, Escape Papa's Pizza, Car Ride, M5B5MM2 Factory, All of Us Are Dead, Easy Parkour, Scary Spelling, WWE 25 Role Play, Mirror Tower, Who's the Spy, Climb 1000 Stair, Pull Up Friend, Kai's MM2, Doodle Obi, Choose Longest, MM2 and PC, Ultimate Easy Obi, The Sleepover, Easy Obi, Carry a Baby, Bike Training, Bayan Volleyball, Squid Game, Burn Stop for Money, Easy Grow Obi, Telepathy, Dodo Pizza, okay, walang Steam Stepmom, Fusion Volleyball, Spelling Bee, The Most F2P Obi at Code Lodger. At ang dati ko pa nga po palang aking pangalan dati is PCAD 82827. Tapos sumunod Green Mosquito, Green _Mosquito. Tapos ngayon na PCAD Gaming. Okay guys. So ito lang ang proper ko. Isa lang po ang account ko. Okay. Bye-bye! Supportahan niyo po ako at kung i-add niyo po ako, i-add niyo po ako. Mag-comment na lang kayo kung na-add niyo na ako. I-add friend ko po kayo. At i-subscribe nyo. I hope you like, I hope you comment, I hope you share this video. And always i-notify nyo ako para kapag may video ako, ma-update ko kayo. That's all lang guys. Bye-bye. Don't bash me!